Di tengah perkembangan teknologi yang semakin canggih, pertumbuhan peminat buku di Amerika masih tetap tinggi. Ramainya pengunjung yang datang di ajang National Book Festival 2015 menunjukkan betapa buku sebagai jendela dunia masih dicintai di berbagai belahan negara. Sebelumnya, festival buku tahunan yang diadakan oleh Library of Congress ini selalu diselenggarakan di halaman National Mall. Namun siapa sangka meski lokasi festival buku telah berpindah ke Washington Convention Center, para peminatnya tetap setia hadir melihat koleksi terbaru dan bertemu dengan penulis favorit mereka. Bahkan ada beberapa keluarga yang sengaja datang setiap tahun dan memperkenalkan anak-anaknya mengenai buku sejak dini.
We started when she was born, about 7 years ago, when it was on the mall, and it was just a great thing to do on the mall. And then we've come here since it's moved. It's something that we look forward to every year.
Menghadirkan ratusan penulis dari berbagai genre, festival buku tahunan ini diharapkan bisa menjadi proses pembelajaran tersendiri bagi anak-anak dan kaula muda untuk meningkatkan kecintaan mereka dalam membaca.
Well, you know, we're in a book festival. You and I have never met, but now that we meet, we feel immediately as if there's a bond between us. I think that the world of imagination, the world of literature and books, the greatness of it is that the limitations we have in reality, geography, ethnicity, religion, race, gender, the world of imagination gets rid of all of that. It transcends it. We all live in one space where an Indonesian writer talks to a, Iranian reader, an Iranian reader talks to a British one. We're all equal, and I think that people need that equality. And people need to know about one another, and the best way to know about one another is through the culture, through books.
Keberadaan buku sebagai perantara konektivitas antar budaya dinilai tak lepas dari tantangan zaman yang seiring waktu semakin menggeser kedudukan buku dengan adanya e-book maupun e-paper. Namun berbeda dengan mereka yang hadir di festival buku tahunan ini, bagi mereka sensasi yang diberikan oleh buku berisikan kertas lebih terasa asik dibandingkan membaca melalui gadget.
So it's really exciting to meet the author up close, and it's also really exciting because it sort of feels like books are dying in this day and age, especially with so much digital media and TV and movies. So it's nice to see so many book lovers here.
Oh yeah, they definitely are. I mean, maybe not reading books, but more towards that tablet form, like she was saying. And personally, I think it's a shame. Like, I grew up reading paperback and hardcover books, and that's what I still prefer to do. We just graduated, so even all our textbooks, instead of getting the tablet form, I would just pay the extra $50 to get the physical paper form.
National Book Festival yang diadakan hanya dalam sehari ini sekaligus menjadi momen perayaan ulang tahun Library of Congress yang ke-70. Bertemakan I Cannot Live Without Books, festival buku terbesar di Amerika ini juga telah diadakan selama 15 tahun berturut-turut. Dari Washington DC, tim liputan VOA.